How to add flashlight to control center in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and then press and hold on blank space. Now here you can see the option add a control. Now click on add a control. And then here you can see the option torch. Now click on torch. Now here you can see flashlight will add it on your control center. Now here you can turn on or off your flashlight. Now press and hold on your flashlight, and here you can increase and decrease the light. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.